Well, I don't know if this is them or how fast do these things grow up. I woke up this morning and heard fluttering. I heard a bunch of weird kind of chirping noises, and I thought there had been a storm. And that was what the fuck. And I was wondering what it was, and I guess they grew up real fast, and yeah, if they might be leaving the nest here. I don't think they can get back. I'm climbing the window here. Stupid battery, yes, I know. Come on. I don't know if I saw the mom bird on the ledge outside or what. There's 5 of them I see here. I don't know. Now, let's see here. Okay, 2 of them are on the ledge. 4 of them are on the ledge. This one's the only one that hasn't gotten up yet. All 5 of them are on the ledge now. Now, I don't know. They're stuck in, they just stopped. They're frozen in time. They just completely stopped moving. Oh, that one's twitching. Oh, there's an ant in my window. Come on. What are you doing? Oh. Just they're waiting for Mom to come back or whatnot, but maybe they're staring at me. I don't know. Oh. And now they are slowly leaving the nest. One of them, there's one on the sill there. Up, now they're all doing it. Up. Come on, you can do it. Come on, get birdie. They just gotta get below that bar, and then they can fly away. That one there. Come on, you can do it. Up, there goes 2. Come on. No, don't jump on that. Oh no! They haven't learned to fly yet, but they just fell out of the nest. Oh no, there goes 4. Come on. Your last one. Jump, do it! You just pooped. Up, you're upside down. Up, and up. Well, that's it. So on, and thanks for all the fish. I can't tell if this is them or not. These are birds outside my window, so there it is right there. Not seeing any on the line. Oh man, if they poop on me. I don't know. I'm not seeing any on the ground. I guess birds bounce well, even if they don't learn to fly. That's what I was always worried about, was them not being able, because, you know, it's not an open air thing. They can't exactly fly from the nest. What the hell is that? They found a way out though. Well, either way, I guess it's not my sport anymore. It's their way out of this. They left the nest and they are going off, and there's one there. They have to live out on their own. At least they can. I don't know. Good luck.